like you.
Alright, I didn't want to start. Who's shouting? Alan always shouts. That's alright, Raikou. I was actually debating whether I was going to grid up or not.
It's going to be a fun race.
Yeah, I guess whenever we pay the one subscription, we can have a fun race.
Loud noises!
But I do pay a subscription, but it still doesn't avoid idiots.
Man, I'm even starting in the pits. Why you gotta talk about me like that?
So next time, pay my subscription, alright?
What was I say?
It's alright. There'll
The
be a yellow.
ignorance has nothing to do with paying your prescription.
There will
or
be
subscription.
a yellow.
Looking like a true person behind a keyboard.
I'm
Prescription.
The pace car is in.
once there's a yellow, guys, we'll get caught up. I ain't worried.
Green, green, green.
I love lamp. There you go, Hobo Vomit. Oh yeah. Yeah, 1K. Alright guys, don't worry, there will be a yellow. Surprised it hasn't happened yet. I'm surprised y'all got through turn 1.
Seriously? You guys are idiots.
Oh, more idiots. Idiots everywhere.
Like, there's no need to race that hard.
Brick, do you really love Lamp, or are you just saying that?
Badass right there, boy. 3 wide.
Fuck, you are an idiot.
And tonight's keyword is idiot.
That was just beautiful. Sporting clothes never come low when you hit the wall.
Was I riding the brake?
When you pay his prescription or subscription, then he'll step
What's
on
up,
the
Will
wall.
Dog? How you doing, bud?
Yep, when you pay his subscription, then he could come down.
Whenever you pay it, he'll stay out of your way.
Pace car middle of the back, guys.
Everyone's an idiot tonight. No, guys, are you ready? Trust me. We're gonna pull out
somebody that has their mind
an epic first stream reveal
Hey man, I
of
paid
Knight
monthly for
Rider.
this, so I mean, I
Knight
can do
Rider is
whatever I
on the
want,
loose.
right?
We will release the Knight Rider. What's up, henchman? How you doing, buddy? Oh, we'll pit for tires.
It's the one car.
Why
That's
not?
some pretty
We're
good
last
rewide racing we had there. It was kind of clean.
We're the last car, so why
I'm gonna
not?
start saying now every time I get wrecked. I'll quit wrecking when y'all pay my subscription.
Yeah, 13. I didn't know if we were going to make it, man, but that was pretty cool.
You've never seen Knight Rider, Alan?
That was on the outside.
Look up Knight Rider as in
Tried to keep it in there with you,
K-N-I.
But I don't know, I got a little bit loose and the nose kind of shoved on me a little bit. I kind of shoved up, but he got out of it.
Hey,
Now you got into the
pick
wall.
the right gear.
You got put.
Line up single file.
Yep, Knight Rider. If this race gets over soon enough,
Oh, the truck on the
we
outside.
will
you
do
hit
Knight
that?
Rider right after this race. Don't worry, henchman. I got it.
Yeah, you did a good job then. I thought you got in the wall. I guess if I paid your subscription, I could see in your cockpit view, and I'd know.
There's a GoFundMe
I don't know,
page. You can pay
Cranda.
a subscription
I
on the
mean,
GoFundMe page.
Baywatch was probably the best thing. It wasn't necessarily the best acting, but it probably was the best thing.
What did you want again? I haven't muted.
Dude's got a Yankee skin. Too low for fat hoes. No fat chick. Dude, this guy's got a no fat chicks bumper. He is my hero.
No fat chicks.
Too low for fat hoes, no fat chicks allowed, car with space.
He's mad over
Yeah,
something
Gorgriel,
else.
I never watched. I watched Baywatch for this. And then the men would come on and I'd be like, oh.
The pace cars in. Green flag, green flag.
Wow, we're gonna wreck. Very good.
11, 5, 3, 7. You got one inside. Go back.
18, that was about the craziest restart I've ever seen. That was way against the sporting code to jump to restart like that. And he just wrecked that dude.
We got a new follower. Give me just a second. Volatile, welcome to the race. Whoa. Welcome to the race, buddy. Welcome to the Renegades. Thank you very much for that follow. Hope you have a good time here. Hope you enjoy your stay.
So we're wrecking up here.
Did it pay his subscription?
I don't know how I saved that. That was close.
Oh, /47, welcome to the race.
Sorry, I didn't mean to get into you.
Yeah, sorry if I blocked you a little bit. That might have been my fault too.
No, it wasn't blocking. I was just, I thought I was a little bit clear of you, but I reckon I wasn't. I thought I was just gonna, follow you on into the corner, but.
The road is now open. It's the pace car.
Just punted that guy? Well, he cut me off. I was out of the throttle for a really long time. /47 twisted shit. Oh, twisted shit. Welcome to the race, buddy. Welcome to the Renegades. Thank you very much for that follow. Hope you have a good time. Hope you enjoy your stay in my corner of Grip TV. Should have done 2 tires. Alright.
It's not a big deal, 13. I mean, I pretty much got all my spots
I'm
back.
surprised no one yelled at me. I fit 2 fat hoes in my truck bed, yeah. And it wasn't like I was underneath him, he just got squirrely as I was pushing him. If you can't drive your truck, get out of the way. What's up, Rancer? What's the bad news? Oh no, did both of you die? I died. I died too. I moved on to the fix series. I was dead in time. I was dead with enough time to join the fix series. What's up, Lucky Maxer? So, yeah. Yeah, Lee, I need more beer. This one's empty. NASCAR Crashes and More is back. What's up, buddy? My beer needs beer. Oh, your internet died? Ah, that sucks, buddy. Fat chicks do give good blowjobs. They ain't afraid to deep throat. They're used to it. Oh, that sucks there, Lee. I just moved a guy out of my way. I had a good run. He cut down in front of me to ruin the run. I lifted. I was completely I felt like I lifted. We'll have to watch the replay. But then we went into the corner and
Alright, man, we're going green next time. Bye.
I wasn't going to hit the brake.
Inside row.
I was going to push him through the corner and maybe, you know, but he just kept wiggling and died. Yeah, my wife can hear me. We just need to survive. Yeah, it felt like I lifted, Korean. Like 100%. I meant I lifted 100%. I'm not sure if I lifted 100%, but it felt like I did. Sorry. Alright guys, time to go racing again.
Alright, man. Pace cars in. Green flag, green flag. 1 minute, 16.319. 1 more left.
If you use brakes, you're a pussy. Or on a road course.
Star 13.
Stay high. 30.161. All clear, all clear. Got one outside. Go there. All clear, all clear. 30.074.
Come on, I can turn 29s here.
29.
There it is. There it is.
7.
I think I burned my tires up. Shit. Go hard or go home.
30.081.
Please don't block Jeremy.
Dude, I am right here. Alright, buddy. Alright. Lesson learned. Lesson learned. Fuck you, I'll take you on the outside.
Come on, 17.
I cannot catch a freaking break.
I don't know, 17, I will race you back that way, buddy, I promise you.
14 on bunch laps down, bro.
Stolfus, I will remember that name.
Buddy, I'll tell you what. I gave you benefit of the doubt for 2 laps, and then I didn't move after that. You have nothing but yourself to blame on that one, bud.
How do you figure?
Just from what I saw. I said it. to myself, I was like, I ain't moving for this guy no more. And then sure as shit, you cut me off again. You got what you deserve, bud.
I was running my line, dude. Running my line.
Yeah, but you gotta remember there's another truck in your way sometimes.
And you dove on me twice.
I was running my line, bud. Watch it.
Like I said, you remember that. I'm writing your name down on this little sticky note right here, and you will get raced back the same way every time.
Alright, number 8. That's fine.
Good, because you'll be the one on the short end stick next time, I promise you.
I'll just make sure I qualify, seeing as I'm faster than you.
The only reason you're faster is because you wrecked the truck in front.
Gotta catch it to wreck it.
Or wait on it. One of the two.
Are you dense? I'm on the same lap as you, moron.
Yeah, it's called lit off the gas, wait till you come back around and wreck the shit out of it.
Y'all do that arguing after chat. We don't want to hear it. We're trying to race.
You're right, Kyle. I apologize, sir.
Sorry about that, 3. Didn't mean to get into you, man.
14, you can always hit the mute button, buddy, by all means.
I kind of want to hear if somebody's wrecking, so I won't.
Damn, dude.
I saw it coming from a mile away. Wish I could have avoided it, but I guess I'll take second.
Checking up on the back street.
Really? Really? Guys, take a rush, turn around and hit me. Hey, car on the back straight.
What was that 6?
I don't know, someone's trying to turn around and hit me. Caution is already out.
Dude. There's smoke every fucking where on the back street, and you come through there 150 fucking mile an hour. I ain't got no sympathy for you, brother.
It's alright, it's family break and spin out. Try it next time.
Kill Switch 517. Welcome
What's
to the
that?
race, buddy. Welcome to the Renegades. It looks like we're bringing
Sorry
home
for the guys
third.
behind me. I tried
As
to
the
avoid
number
12 and
17, I
got
think we
loose,
could have
and
won
I
this.
really didn't have anywhere to go because when I got to him, he was already around.
Not gonna argue about it.
I ain't arguing
Welcome
about
to
either,
the
bro.
Renegades, buddy.
You're racing for
Hope
last.
you have a
and
good
I'm up
time.
front,
Hope you enjoy
so
your stay in my corner of
you
Grid
ought to have
TV.
I wrecked up front. You ought to have plenty of damn time to slow down, bro.
I hit the 3. Well, yeah, we were dodging the crash.
What's that?
Where's Knight Rider Racing?
You spun out.
Street
I was
Stocks.
still driving.
Rookie Street
So
Stocks.
you still should have.
Rookie Street Stocks. We got time to join it. It's going down, folks.
Caution's out. You're gonna get your place back.
It's going down. Gringo ERC. Welcome to the race, buddy. Welcome to the Renegades. Thank you very much for that follow. Hope you have a
Dude,
good
you don't
time
have a
here
clue.
in my corner of Grip TV.
Thanks for rolling my race here, number 14, Kyle.
Good one, 13.
Yeah, Tiger Strike. I'm with you on that one. I'll watch the replay, but man,
Yeah, sorry about running you a little hard there, 9. I had a little bit of damage, man, so I was hoping to get every bit I could get. That's fun, though.
if I could please ask car number 1, 2, and 3, watch the series of laps between the 17 and the 8, and please give me your all's opinion.
Number 1, you might want to hold up, don't cross the line for me.
It's the responsibility of the overtaking driver to make a safe and complete pass 17.
Take the flag. It's over.
Again, cars 1, 2, and 3,
Great job,
watch the
driver.
series of laps up until the point, and give me your opinion.
Hey, 11, give me a push, man.
All I did was get in there and give him a little shove. I mean, he raced me dirty, blocked me, everything, and all I did was get in there and give him a little bump. Can't help he don't know how to save a darn race truck. Plus, he slammed on brakes in the middle of the darn corner in front of me.
Brody, you did pretty much the same thing you did to me. You just drove him into the corner. It's not that you can't save the truck, it's that you drove on his ass going into the corner.
No, with you, I actually did drive into the corner. With the 12, he really did slow up. I mean, you wasn't on board with me, you wasn't driving. I mean, he slams on brakes and he runs me all the way down to the inside wall.
I always don't know how you keep your cool. Tiger Strike, you know, you just gotta realize, put yourself in their position. I gave him the benefit of a doubt. I didn't even think I said it out loud.
You got into me 3 times so far watching the replay, 17.
Yeah, I started on lap 23, so I'm waiting to catch back up to you.
Yeah, dude, you come up out of the corner and just got me loose on X, got me loose all over the damn place, and just wrecked me, dude. Moved me, man. I mean, it's ridiculous.
Yeah, I'm watching the series of events because I was pretty tired of your shenanigans.
Yeah, I don't even see how that's protestable. I mean, I followed you in the corner, and you didn't get back to the throttle. What am I supposed to do? Just lay off the throttle and just let you do whatever you want to do and have a good time?
No, I'm not, man.
Shenanigans, dude. You done hit me 3 times, man. Hey, you done tried to move me 3 times. And all I did was race you hard on the outside. That's it. Gave you room. You come up off the corners. You hit me 3 times before that.
Mike, you go right on ahead and do your little protest or whatever you want to do. Well, I mean, it ain't like they gonna do nothing anyway. I can't help it. You just don't know how to get back to the throttle whenever you want to.
Yeah, the 12, man, you're blocking pretty good the whole damn race, man.
You just like Jeremy said, Jeremy, he ran me down to the inside freaking wall. I had nowhere to go. I backed off of it, and he ran me tight the whole time. Yeah, we were clean, but he was running me really tight, and he blocked me. But all I did was follow him in the corner. Yeah, I was close, but hey, as close is what it is.
Yeah, he was blocking his ass off. I mean, that's the way he wants to be. That's cool. I mean, he just ain't fast enough to stay in front of somebody, so he's got to block.
I mean, if he was 2 truck lengths ahead of me and I just drove it into him, that's different. But I was right on his back bumper, square on his back bumper. And I mean, what do you expect? You expect me just to slam on brakes? Let him get a second ahead and try and run him back down? Well, maybe I should try the outside.
Here comes the dive bomb. Here comes the dive bomb, guys. Here's the dive bomb.
Led 40 laps. I didn't think he was run but 34. And
dive bomb.
You're lucky I didn't jump in to start with, but I mean, right from the get-go.
The fucking dumbass gets in the wall. Are you serious, number 8?
How do you lead 40 laps in a 34-lap race?
Clearly hit the rock.
Hey, I led some of them laps too until he moved me up the track. He threw the block on the high side. That's what put me back there where I was.
Who you talking about, 8?
You on?
Watch my wheel.
That Mike Roscoe or whatever. I think it was.
I mean, I just don't understand people's logic. Racing is racing. I can't help it that you didn't get to the throttle when you're supposed to. I mean, what am I, like I said, what am I supposed to do?
Yeah, the 12 car, that's who it was. Yeah, he put a block going into turn 3. He just overdrove it and went up the track blocking.
It's like lap 9, dude. I mean, I clearly had a run off of him off 4, and he just come out and chopped me. I should have just sent his ass through the grass then.
Yeah, that's what I should have done on that front straightaway. He came down on me on one of them dog legs, and I saw him cut sideways a little bit. But I was nice. I didn't do nothing.
Oh yeah, I mean, people play them games all the time. Then they get mad when they get wrecked. I mean, you play games like that shit, you get what you deserve.
Yeah, that's for sure. Congratulations to the winner. See you guys next race.
Too bad I'll be B-class next race, and I won't be in the split that you're in. I'll have to be in a higher split with a bunch, probably with better races than what you are. Clearly, people who can actually get through the corner and actually drive.
What a fucking dumbass. He takes himself out. Are you kidding me? Are you kidding me?
Yeah, I know he is, Matt. I mean, it would have been a lot better if he could, like, get a mic and talk, but I reckon not.
I would like some clarity here on Mark Bratcher and KR, number 8 and 17, lap 26 through, we'll say 24. Yeah, a notebook with my name on it. Let me tell you, I'm scared. Mark Bratcher. And then the dumbass says I was waiting for him. Are you kidding me? I freaking caught you. I'm the number 17 car. I didn't qualify. I caught you.